Guys, come, I'll show you something. Friends, did you guess what is it? Yes, you're right, it's egg. But is it bouncy and fluffy egg? Like this. Do you know how I made this? Let's get into the video. To make bouncing egg, first we need 4 glasses, 4 eggs, vinegar, and some food colors. First step is pour the vinegar into all the glasses equally. Next we have to add food colors into the glasses. Here I am adding red color, blue, and green. I will leave one glass with no color. Next, drop the eggs into the glasses carefully. Now we will leave eggs in vinegar for 24 hours. In the meanwhile, do you want to know what is happening? The eggshell contains calcium carbonate and the vinegar contains acetic acid. When we soak the egg in the vinegar, acetic acid will break down the eggshell and dissolve it. It will turn calcium carbonate into carbon dioxide, which is creating those small tiny bubbles around the egg. Friends, this is the result after 24 hours. Now I am poking the egg. Oh, it's like a rubber ball now. Now I am curious to know what is it like inside. Come on, let's break it! So friends, did you like this experiment? For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.